Oh man, what a save. Oh shit. So I did 3 attempts, yeah? The first one, I'm lining it up, going through. It comes light. Look at that in the Walksnail. It really, I mean, it's dark, yeah? Anyway, power loop. Oh man, well short. So this is my second attempt. I'm lining it up. Faster this time. Right, going through it quite fast, getting the speed up. I hit the right angle again, and again, short. So, third attempt. Okay, right, a bit wonky donkey this time going into it. Anyway.
Oh no.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Now, oh wow, what a save. That is mad. Almost flat. Look at it in slow motion. Almost landed flat on my upside down. I went through the tunnel. I went through it, yeah, and I went for the power loop. That tunnel is long, right? Anyway, I came down on it and I just literally missed the ground and throttled out. Right, my old man used to say, yeah, when we were driving rear wheel cars, yeah, and he used to say, if in doubt, throttle out, yeah. So in other words, if your back end's going out, don't take your foot off, you know, put it down more, yeah, because then it'll give you your sideways momentum. You in America, you will know that, because obviously I know most of your cars were rear wheel drive. Yeah, that was fun, and close to not being fun. Comment, yeah, leave a comment. Do you want to hear me talking? Do you want to hear music? I don't know, just let me know, you know what I mean? Anyway, let's keep flying.
You suffer from anxiety. Feel like the whole world right in your hands, but you don't know what to do with it. Yeah. I lay in bed and I start to overthink. I'm trying to clear my mind, but it seems I'm on the brink of losing all I got, cause my illness kicking in. I'm hoping for the best, but can't ever seem to win. You ever get the feeling that nobody ever cares? You ever sit and wonder what's your purpose to be here? As I stare at my reflection, I don't like what I become. I'm at war inside my head, all this hurt has got me numb. I worry way too much, now my heart is racing fast. I can't seem to concentrate, always stressing to the max. My palms are looking sweaty, I pretend that I'm okay. Then I walk outside the door, fake a smile and turn away. My body gets the shakes, I'm confused and unaware. Do they love me, do they hate me? I've been living in my fear. Change can be so scary when your past is traumatized. You can tell I lack expression, I'm a demon in disguise.
Oh, the writing on the wall, it says I'm running out of time, I need to change my ways. So I get down on my knees and pray for a little bit of guidance to find better days.
Freak, are you kidding me?
Better days. of time, I need to change my ways. So I get down on my knees and pray for a little bit of guidance to find better days, better days. Oh, the writing on the wall, it says I'm running out of time, I need to change my ways. So I get down on my knees and pray for a little bit of guidance to find better days, better days. I know they'll come my way, I'll find the better days.
Freak, are you kidding me?
I'll find the better days.
Guys, if you've watched all of this, big respect. Thanks.